A rectangular vent measures 18 inches by 24 inches. Calculate the area of the vent in square inches. So we do not have a problem on this one. They want inches, we've got inches, we're good. So area of a rectangle is length times width, and that's 24 by 18. No way I'm trying that in my head. 432 square inches. A cylindrical duct has a radius, sometimes they give diameter, sometimes they give radius, of 4 inches and a length of 12 feet. Calculate the volume of the duct in cubic feet and round your answers to the nearest hundredth. So volume of a cylinder, if you've got a circle, you've got pi. So volume is pi times the radius squared times the height. Did you catch it? We have a problem. They don't match. And the question wants cubic feet. So I don't want to mess with that 12. He's already in terms of feet. So 12 is your height. 4/12 is your radius. Again, I can use mental math to get this part. Let me change colors. 4 times 4 is 16, and 12 times 12 is 144. And then the 12 right there just falls down, and I'll let my calculator do the rest here. So pi times 16 fraction 144 times 12 equals, it's ugly, 4.186 repeating, and they want it to the nearest hundredth. So volume is approximately 4.19 cubic feet. That can turn tricky in a hurry if you have to convert those units. A rectangular room measures 15 by 20 by 10 feet. 20 feet, 15 feet. And again, I'm just going by the scale, the length of these sides. Calculate the volume of the room in cubic feet. So we're good to go. Our units match, and it's what they're asking for. So volume is length times width times height, or 20 times 10 times 15. I believe it's 3,000, but let me see. 20 times 10 times 15 is 3,000 feet cubed, cubic feet. A spherical tank has a radius of 2 feet. Calculate the volume of the tank in cubic feet. Round your answer to the nearest tenth. So this is a sphere. If radius is 2, diameter would be 4, but the formula calls for radius. So just make sure you're using the right one of those. And this time it's a 2. Didn't we do this already? I used artificial intelligence to generate these, so it's possible that I do have it in there twice. I believe we did this. 33.493, I remember that, cubic feet. And they want it to the nearest tenth. we've done this one. I'm sorry, guys. This is 33.5 cubic feet. And it is the same as number 7. Oh no, number 7 was a little bit different. It's the same answer, but it was a different question. So it was not duplicated. Answer is right here.